Rub it on your chin. Like this.
Hamoudi's first time shaving. Not really.
Hold on.
Just scrub it on his face. We're almost running out of batteries. Ooh, that looks luscious.
Look.
It's burning! It's burning!
No, it's not supposed to. Oh, it's too much. We put too much.
No, that's fine.
Yeah.
Is this supposed to clean his face?
Probably.
Hamoudi, this is not your
Let's
first
do for
time
your
shaving.
mustache too. Okay.
That's Mom.
Hello.
Mom, you're not in the
No.
camera anymore.
No,
Just
no.
let the child
Oh,
shave.
look at you. Slow down, shui.
Don't cut yourself, Hamoudi.
Okay, you're gonna go like this. When you go, you're gonna wash it like this. Like Baba
Do
does.
this side, do this side. Not too hard, you'll cut yourself.
Your mustache, hold on.
Are you gonna take it with you, Hamoudi, to
Your
Michigan?
chin.
Hamoudi's gonna take it with him to Michigan?
Look at you. You're Santa Claus now.
No.
Wash it under the water. Good. So now, take picture for him.
I'm videotaping, Mom.
Yeah. Yeah, like
Ooh.
this. Yeah. Is it burning? It's not supposed to burn. Yeah, I said go like this.
There's some up your nose. Okay, turn me.
No, Suna.
Ooh, it smells like blueberries.
Now you're gonna wash your face now. Stand up. Put some water on your hand and wash your face. Now let's brush your mustache.
Are you kidding?
You shaved it. You have no more mustache. So that it's still recording. You went to the towel too. Okay. Now let's see. Let's see how clean. Okay. Dry your face.
Ew.
Okay. Let's see. Is it smooth? Let's see. Is it smooth? Let me see. Come on. Let me see. Let me see. Rub your chin. It's smooth.
There you have it. How to shave at a young age.